interest on capital in case the availability of profits is less than the amount to be debited to interest on capital. This is a separate case. In such a case, we will calculate the interest on capital of all the partners and the available profit is distributed in the ratio of interest on capital. हम सारे पार्टनर्स का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. Whatever is the available profit, that is the profit given before the distribution of interest on capital, before the calculation of interest on capital or provision of the interest on capital, that profit will be divided in the ratio of interest on capital. This procedure is called as the interest on capital as an appropriation of profit. For example, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. At the beginning of the year, their capitals were rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh. The partnership deed provides the interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. So their capitals are 2 lakh and 1 lakh and the rate of interest on capital is 10% per annum. And they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. X and Y are the partners. The profit earned before charging interest on capital was rupees 18,000. Profit आ रहा 18,000. Show the calculation of interest on capital as an appropriation of profit and as a charge against profit. दोनों केस एक ही क्वेश्चन. Such type of questions you will do from the book, and those I am sending you just now after this. A. Interest on capital as an appropriation of profit. The first case where it is to be done as an appropriation of profit. X and Y are the partners. Capital at the beginning of X was 2 lakh and of Y was 1 lakh. Interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. We will calculate it. 2 lakh ka 10%, 20,000, 1 lakh ka 10%, 10,000. And we will add both this. We will add this interest on capitals that comes to rupees 30,000, making it the base for calculating the ratio. The ratio will be 20,000 by 30,000, 10,000 by 30,000, and we will distribute the available profit 18,000 in this ratio. So for X, the amount will come 12,000 and for Y, the amount will come 6,000. 12,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 18,000. We have distributed the profit. So in such a case, the interest on capital cannot exceed the amount of available profit. That is the profit that is to the net profit that we have calculated and transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. Then we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. In the profit and loss appropriation account, the net profit brought down is 18,000 as it is given, and two interest on capital. X capital account 12,000, Y's capital account 6,000. Total comes to 18,000. Means whatever profit was there, that was distributed among the partners in the ratio of interest on capital that the partners are going to get. That was 20,000 and 10,000 की ratio में. That is 2:1. Or the way I have told, in that way you can show the distribution of the profit as interest on capital. Now the second case. In this second case, it is given as a charge against profit. When it is mentioned that interest on capital is a charge against profit, it means whatever is the actual amount of profit of interest on capital, that is 20,000, 10,000, that will be provided whether the firm earns the profit or suffers the loss. So here 18,000 was the profit, and the interest on capital of X and Y was 20,000 and 10,000. Total comes to 30,000. We will provide entire 30,000 and calculate the profit or loss. So here the debit side is more, that is 30,000, and the credit side is just having the net profit figure 18,000. So there is a loss. The loss comes to rupees 12,000, and this loss will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which has been shown over here. 12,000 is the loss, 3:2 is the profit sharing ratio. We will add 3 and 2 comes to 5. This 5 will become the denominator for both the cases, for X and Y. So 12,000 into 3 by 5 is equal to 7,200, and 12,000 into 2 by 5 is equal to 4,800, and we will show it in the inner column and distribute this profit. So the P&L appropriation account tallies. This is how the interest on capital is treated. Now you will do the questions related to interest on capital from the book. I have given you the examples, and I will be sending the questions today itself.